Well, hey there garbage lovers, and welcome to another trash talking episode of This Show Is Not Rubbish. Today, we're slurping up some spinny science. Let's see what the thing in the bin has in store for us. So, straws. These little tubes can be made from all sorts of materials, including plastic, bamboo, metal, silicone, polylactic acid, seaweed, and even from actual straw. Today, we're focusing on paper straws. Let's suck up some trashy facts. The oldest straw in existence is believed to be over 5,000 years old. It was found in a Sumerian tomb and is made from gold inlaid with lapis lazuli. Fancy! The paper straw was invented in America in 1888 by Marvin C. Stone. To create it, he wrapped a piece of paper around a pencil. Clever! Plastic straws are generally made from polypropylene. They take around 200 years to decompose, and even then they never really fully break down. Instead, they form tiny plastic particles called microplastics, which are devastating for the environment. Horrible. Have a gander at this little doodad. To create this, I took a paper straw and partially cut it in two places. Then pierced the straw with a bamboo skewer. Finally, I bent the straw into a triangle and taped it in place. And now, watch this. I just love this little thingamy. Spinning the straw starts the water in the bottom of the straw spinning. Anything that spins will experience an outward force, so the water is flung out. Now, a sprinkler this size isn't going to be able to water much. I wonder if we can upsize this little dude somehow. Let's put a pin in that idea, and I'll get back to you with something bigger and better and sprinklier before the end of the episode. So the great big really important question is, once you're done with your paper straw, where does it go? It's time to play a little game I like to call Which Bin? So our choices, as always, are a general curbside waste bin, a curbside recycling bin, a curbside green bin, or some other bin or place. Well, what do you reckon? Which bin should we put our paper straw into? I'll give you a few moments to have a think. So have you thunk of an answer? Were you thinking about chucking your paper straw into the recycling? Well, unfortunately, most councils prefer that you don't. For a couple of reasons. Even though most paper can be recycled, if it's wet or contaminated with food, then it can't be. Also, many paper straws are lined with plastic, and so, like plastic-lined paper coffee cups, they are definitely not recyclable. So, which bin? Well, if it's a purely paper straw, a home compost bin is the best place. Or you can bury them in the ground. They'll usually take around 2 to 8 weeks to fully decompose. Otherwise, you'll need to throw your straw into a general waste bin, which is not a great option. The best straw is a reusable straw, like bamboo, metal, or silicone. Or no straw at all. If you'd like to try making one of my little sprinklers, then make sure you use a pure paper straw. Or you could use some old pens or tubular pasta or, ooh, I've just had a rather brilliant idea. Recycling and waste management is an evolving science, and rules vary from country to country, city to city, and council to council. Always check with your local council as to what thing should go into which bin. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and then head over to our website and social media pages for more garbagey goodness.